Let's say we want to transform our shopping list into a string, joining each element with a comma. We already know how to transform our list into an array of strings. Let grocery list equals shopping list map item where item name. Now, all we need to do is to use the join method like this. Shopping list map, item where item name, join. The join method creates and returns a new string by concatenating all the items in an array separated by a specified separator string. If no separator is provided, a comma is used by default. And now our grocery list is a string of items separated by commas. Now, we would like to know the total quantity of items we need to buy. So let item count equals shopping list reduce sum, comma item, where sum plus item quantity and comma 0. So sum is the accumulated value of operations. We can provide a starter sum value after the comma, in this case 0. And now item count will give us the total number of items we need to buy. The reduce method executes a reducer function on each element of the array, resulting in a single output value. It is often used to sum values, but it can be used for more complex operations as well. Join is used to concatenate array elements into single string, while reduce is used to accumulate a single value from array elements. Join returns a string, while reduce returns a single value of any type, depending on the reducer function. Let's practice what we have learned with a few exercises. Pause the video and try to find a solution yourself. When you are ready, press play to see an example solution. And here is an example solution. First, let's declare an array of words. So let words equals array coding, comma, is, comma, fun. To join the array and make a sentence, let's use let sentence equals words join with an empty string. Now the array of numbers is let numbers equals the array of 5, 10, 15, and 20. Finally, to calculate the product of numbers, let's use the reduce method like so. Let product equals numbers reduce accumulator and current value, where accumulator multiplied by current value and 1 as a starting value.